Hi, boys and girls. I have a new sight word, and this sight word is have. Now, this is why it's called a sight word, because we can't really sound it out, because we just have to remember the way it looks. This is not following the rules. There are some words in our language that don't follow the rules. The E is quiet here. This one says his short name, so we only really hear the have for have. The E is just a quiet guy hanging out at the end, but we want to remember, so we want to look at the end to remember there's a V there, and this is the word have. So what we want to do first is we want to color in the letters in the word have. Remember, these lines are here to remind us to change a color. Change a color. So when we're going to do these, I can do one of my other words on another day. I colored all my polka dots rainbows. Well, today maybe I want to make all my polka dots the same color. And that's fine. Maybe I'll make rainbow stripes on one of my other words. So I'm going to make these all one color. And then I'm going to color the background another color. So I want my polka dots to stand out. Remember, this is your job. We're doing little strokes in between, so I'm not coloring on top of my polka dots. I want to see that yellow. So I want to see the color of my polka dots. So sometimes we might have to do little strokes inside. Practicing showing me your very best coloring. I want to see beautiful work that you're doing. Beautiful, beautiful work. So I colored my word have. Maybe here I said, you know what, I want some other colors. Maybe now I'm going to color a pattern. Maybe now I'll color a rainbow. So whatever you'd like, just know that when you come to, oh, I didn't fill in all my white spaces. I'm going back to fill those in. When you come to a black line, that means stop, change a color. This is my sight word, have. So I'm thinking about the letters that I'm coloring in. H-A-V-E for have. And so I'm going to just keep on coloring until I have this one colored. And then the next letter you can think of, do I want to color in a pattern? Do I want to color, how do I want to color the next one? I want you to think, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. I love to see the beautiful work that you do. Please make your work the best that you know how. Color in your next letter and your next letter, stopping at the black lines, changing the color as you need to. You need to look through the bubbles, see what words you can read. Some of them are words that you haven't seen before, and that's all right, but see if you can figure them out. I want you to find that word have inside the bubbles. If you find the word have, I want you to color in the bubble. Make sure you color in all the white spaces in the bubble. After you find the word have in all of those, then you're going to write the word. Now, because this word have has 4 letters, I'm just going to have you write it 3 times on each line. When you write it, remember the H is going to start up here. It's tall. The A is going to start at 2. The V starts at the dotted line, and the E starts in the middle. Say the letters as you write them. So you're going to say H, A, V, E. Now say the word, have. Put my finger down. H, A, V, E. Have. Put your finger down. H, A, V, E. Have. Now you're going to come down to this row. You'll only have to write it 3 times. H, A, V, E. Don't forget to put your finger down. I want you to write it again and again. So finish coloring, finish finding the word have, and finish writing the word have. I want the best work that you can show me.